Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I'm gonna show you how to connect bank account to TapTap Send. To do so, firstly you have to open the app in the mobile. Here, as you can see, you can choose any country. So for example, I'm choosing Philippine here and giving 25 euros, as you have to give a specific amount of money here. After clicking on next, you will see there is add new recipient option. Just click on it and then click on bank account option to connect your bank account. So as you can see in this interface, you have to give all the bank information, for example like your full name, your bank name, and then your bank account number. For confirmation, your bank account number again, and then click on next. So here in this interface you can select your bank, or if you cannot find, you can just search on that search bar, and then this is how you open a bank account in TapTap Send. So if this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.